Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best fruit of the Loom V Neck Undershirts for men. This classic fit t-shirt offers a combination of comfort, durability, and style, making it a great choice for everyday wear. The fruit of the Loom Men's V Neck is crafted from 100% cotton, which ensures breathability and softness against the skin. For those who prefer a blend, the heathered versions contain 60% cotton and 40% polyester, providing a slightly different texture while maintaining comfort. The fabric is designed with Eversoft technology, featuring premium ring-spun cotton that feels gentle and smooth, offering ultimate comfort throughout the day. This shirt incorporates dual defense technology, which helps wick moisture away from your body, keeping you dry and fresh even during warmer days or light workouts. The moisture-wicking properties make this undershirt a practical choice for those who want to stay comfortable under dress shirts or casual wear. The fit of this V-neck is classic and regular, with a length that falls just below the hip, which helps keep the shirt tucked in neatly without bunching up. The neckline is a clean V shape that adds a touch of style, making it suitable for wearing on its own or as a layering piece. The ribbed collar maintains its shape over time, adding to the overall durability of the shirt. Care is simple with this undershirt, as it is machine washable and easy to maintain. Its imported origin reflects quality manufacturing standards. The closure style is a straightforward pullover, making it convenient to wear without any fuss. Available in multiple sizes ranging from small to 3x large, including tall options, this V-neck shirt caters to a wide range of body types. The color selection, while primarily focused on classic shades like white, ensures versatility and easy pairing with various outfits. Weighing in at just under 1.5 pounds for a pack, this shirt is lightweight and ideal for layering without adding bulk. The brand itself, Fruit of the Loom, is well known for its reliable quality and affordable price point, making this undershirt an excellent value. To sum it up, the Fruit of the Loom Men's V-Neck Undershirt offers a balanced mix of softness, moisture management, and classic styling. Whether you're dressing up for work or keeping it casual, this shirt is designed to provide comfort and lasting wear. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you want to experience comfort and quality in a V-neck undershirt, this is definitely one to consider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. See you next time.